Rasta is I and meditate your mind. Across the canyon, wide and deep, bridges rise where shadows creep. Made of mercy, built by grace, bridges link the human race. Step by step, the path is clear. Bridges carry us from fear. No more borders, no divide. Bridges shine on every side. Crafted not with iron stone, bridges grow from love alone. Every pillar carved in peace, bridges let the hatred cease. No oppression cross the span, bridges lift the heart of man. Every nation, hand in hand, bridges bind the broken land. Voices gather on the shore, bridges call for something more. Songs of healing, drums of fire, bridges lift the spirit higher. Even stranger, once apart, bridges mend a broken heart. Every step a sacred vow, bridges build a future now. Morning sun reveal the way, bridges glow at break of day. Even storm cloud cannot hide, bridges stand in holy pride. Babylon wall begin to fall, bridges rise above it all. Every arch a song of light, bridges guide us through the night. Aye, 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 aye. Work a hand in work a hand, bridges stretch across the land. Carved by wisdom, shaped by time, bridges chant the righteous rhyme. Through the valley, over sea, bridges guard our destiny. Every step a melody, bridges hum eternity. When the weary seek a rest, bridges lead them to the best. No more sorrow, no more chains, bridges wash away the pains. Generations cross the span, bridges strengthen every man. Glorious flaming shining mind, bridges keep the way out bright. Everlasting tall and free, bridges mark our victory. From the mountain to the coast, bridges hold the Holy Ghost. No more silence, no despair, bridges prove that love is here. Shining beacon, bold and true, bridges always carry through. Step, step, side by side, bridges and the foolish pride. Rise, rise, shining flame, bridges glorify your name. Walk, walk, don't look back, bridges lead along the track. Sing, sing, voices strong, bridges guide us all along. Bridges of light, tall and free, carry the people to destiny. Never breaking, never fall, bridges connect the world for all. Forever glowing, strong and bright, bridges shine your holy light. Through every trial, storm and fight, bridges guide us into night. Bridges of mercy, bold and true, open forever for me and you. Yeah, yeah, jungle. Lightning carve across the sky. Crown of storms is lifted high. Thunder roll with holy sound. Crown of storms shake all around. Babylon throne begin to bend. Crown of storms bring judgment end. Every cloud a fiery flame. Crown exalt your mighty name. Prophets stand upon the hill. Crown of storms reveal Jah will. Every strike a holy word. Crown of storms cannot be blurred. Darkness scatter, chains undone. Crown of storms bring morning sun. Every roar a sacred sign. Crown of storms declare divine. Voices chant across the land. Crown of storms strike Babylon hand. Walls of pride them fall apart. Crown of storms touch every heart. Kings them tremble, lies exposed. Crown of storms keep truth composed. Even night cannot conceal. Crown of storms forever real. Farmer kneel upon the ground. Crown of storms and rain around. Fields of hunger start to grow. Crown of storms let mercy flow. No more famine, no more pain. Crown of storms restore again. Every harvest bold and free. Crown of storms bring victory. Generations singing on. Crown of storm fulfill the law. No corruption hide the face. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Gatheration singing all. Crown of storm fulfill the law. No corruption hide the face. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Crash, crash upon the flame. Crown of storms exalt your name. Shine, shine, lightning true. Crown of storms protect the crew. Roll, roll, heavy sound. Crown of storms shake the ground. Crown of storms fierce and high. Judgment blaze across the sky. Never fading, never gone. Crown of storms keep rolling on. Forever roaring, bold and bright. Crown of storms shine your light. Strike the darkness, break the chain. Crown of storms bring peace again. chalice, chant of praise. Circle wide, the people sing. Glory rise to Zion King. Smoke ascend, the spirit fly. Drumbeat echo across the sky. Babylon system fade away. Drum and chalice rule today. Every hand upon the skin. Drumbeat shake from deep within. Every draw a sacred flame. Chalice chant Jah holy name. Youth man dance and elder pray. One love spirit on display. No division, no more wall. Drum and chalice heal us all. Drum and chalice holy sound. Lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free. Drum and chalice unity. Through the night until the morn. Drum and chalice keep us strong. Every rhythm, every tone. Link the flesh unto the bone. Ancestor spirit gather near. Through the smoke Jah voice we hear. No oppression, no deceit. Drum and chalice set complete. Babylon try to silence we, but the drum still set we free. Every corner, every land. Drum and chalice hand in hand. Generations pass it down. Chalice fire never drown. Living culture roots so deep. Drum and chalice never sleep. Beat the drum, light the flame. Chalice chant your name. Sound and smoke rise so high. Link the people to the sky. Drum and chalice, holy sound. Lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free. Drum and chalice unity. Forever chanting, never done. Drum and chalice, two as one. Zion Reggae. Deep in the night and the moonlight glow. Naya bingy drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far. Guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells a story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Naya Bingi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore. Drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun. Naya Bingi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high. Reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand. It build the love across the land. from first beat till the last. Drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin fi sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Naya Bingi keep trodding on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Naya Bingi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can steal the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Naya Bingi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Naya Bingi beat will always flow.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke aye and meditate on the river, yeah, man. Me look up and see just sign. Fire blaze, spirit divine. Thunder roll and lightning sing. Truth come with everything. Me walk through the fire unafraid. Jah shield never fade. Babylon crumble, eyes fall down. Truth wear the crown. Me chant for mercy, chant for grace. See Jah light in every face. The wind carry message wide, Rasta guide. Me say the elders tell the youth, hold fast to Jah truth. No riches, fame or vanity can touch Jah family. Me stand firm on holy ground, me spirit profound. The thunder voice me call, one love for all. The fire in the sky,
Fire in the sky,
Jah light never die.
Jah light never die.
One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes, burn away the life. Fire in the sky, fire, the sky, the sky, the sky, the sky, the sky, the sky, the sky. Me see the people wake again. Love replace the pain. Me feel the power, me feel the song. Justice come all along. Me chant for freedom, chant for life, end all strife. Me watch the sunrise paint the sea. Peace surround me naturally. Me hold the chalice, me give thanks. Jah fill me spiritual tanks. Me see the prophecy come true. Jah live in me and you. Me no bow, me no kneel. Jah fire me shield. Me walk through the flame and call Jah name which for the sky.
Fire in the sky,
Jah light never die.
Jah light never die.
One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes, burn away the life. Fire in the sky.
Fire in the sky,
Sky, sky, sky, sky, sky, sky, sky, sky, sky, sky, sky.
a flame forever high.
Fire in the sky.
Fire in the sky. Fire in the sky. Aye.
Fire in the sky.
Na 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 na. Oh, na na na. Fire burn deep, but me face still cool. In a rule. Ocean calm, volcano core. Kid and roar. Still waters must be flame within. Quiet skin. Me carry fire, them can't read. Silent speed. Energy pile up in me spine. Disciplined. Me now waste spark one ego show. Me know true flame burn, controlled and slow. In a glow. Emotion sharp, but me steer the wheel. Balance feel. Me plan move long before me act. Strategic fact. First shot test, but me pulse stay even. Well seasoned. Each channeled into forward drive. Force alive. Fire inside, calm outside. Perfect ride. Fire inside, steady flame, no shame. Fire inside, never wild, well styled. We ambition loud, but me mouth stay closed. Composed. Late night grind when street asleep. Promise key. Me fuel desire with patience heart. Focus heart. Win moment right, me step precise. No dice. Calm exterior, hide me blaze. Amaze. Me not burn breach. Fish out thumbing. Long day. Mastered fire, be it light. Non-fry. Fire inside, come outside. Truth reside. Fire inside, hide me way every day. Still conscious. Eternal flame. Same name. Zion Reggae inna the house, yeah man. Oh. Deep in the night, under moonlight glow. Now ya bingy drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far. Guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell just story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum on Naya Bingi, strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophet vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drums still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta, loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last from root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is so high, man. High, man. High, man. Oh,
Me sit beside the flowing stream, just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song, me spirit strong. Every drop of healing prayer, love fill the air. Me close me eye, me soul align, flow in Zion time. Me walk long road of faith and fight, search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people face, them searching grace. Yet the river wash them pain, life again. Me see the children play by shore, laugh forevermore. Them no know the chains before, them born for soar. The river carry story deep, secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name, eternal flame. Eternal river of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole, carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night, river of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong, flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream, Jah redeem. Water cold but fire burn. Truth return. Me see reflection, see me past. Fade at last. Jah mercy deep like ocean wide. Love inside. Me follow river through the plain, through joy and pain. It led me home to holy place, full of grace. The fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king, all life flow one way same. Jah name. Me no fear no drought, no storm. River keep me warm. From the mountain to the sea, Jah carry me. When me weak, me call his song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul. Make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong. Right all wrong, flow through the land of man. Part of Jah plan. River of Zion, don't ever end, me eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion, run forevermore. Me heart secure.
Aye, aye, aye. Rastafari is high in the jungle. Silver streams flow from the stone. River sing a righteous stone. Washing scars from ancient days. Carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Underneath the morning sun. River blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by John. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with Jah delight. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress feet to stand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River said the truth is near. Da 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 da. Generations gather round. River make the holy song. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy and white and pure. Carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River move by Jah will. Strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory. Ah-da-da-da. Ah-ah-ah-da-da. Ah-da-da. Ah-ah. Ah-da-da-da-da. Ah-ah-ah-da-da. Ah-da-da-da. Smoke a cushion, man. Morning rise, the sky so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy. Sun illuminate eternity. Children laugh in golden flame. Sun exalt Jah holy name. Elders chant with joyful sound. Son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war. Sun bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow. Son of Zion bless below. Desert bloom, the river shine. Son of Zion, pure divine. Traveler lost upon the road. Sun reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide. Son of Jah, forever guide. Generations see the sign. Son of Zion, bright line. Battle through the storm. Son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay. Son of Jah light the way. Every heart of fire burn. Son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame. Sun proclaim Jah mighty name. Horizon east to west. Son of Zion never rest. Every nation, every race. Son of Zion shine with grace. Everlasting, pure and true. Son of Zion for me and you. From creation till today. Son of Jah forever stay. Shine, shine, holy light. Guide the people through the night. Rise, rise, bright and free. Son of Zion, prophecy. Son of Zion, burning Ay, ay, ay. Kaya Kushama. Na 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 na. Da 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 ya da. Ay, ay, ay. When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire. Throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away. Throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright. Throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong. Throne of dawn correct the wrong. Every judgment bold and true. Throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise. Throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame. Throne exalt your holy name. Ah, ba la 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 la, ah la la, ba la 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 la, ba la 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 la. People gather on the plain. Throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air. Throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war. Throne of dawn open door. Every nation side by side. Throne of dawn remove the pride. Aye. Ba da 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 da. Ba da da ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Fish are cast upon the sea. Throne of dawn bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground. Throne of dawn spread peace around. Teacher speak with wisdom true. Throne of dawn shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall. Throne of dawn outshine them all. Warrior kneel the weapon down. Throne of dawn bring healing crown. Every scar and every tear. Throne of dawn remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing. Throne of dawn crown your king. Glorious fire, bold and free. Throne of dawn eternity. Everlasting morning flame. Throne of dawn remain the same. Never fading, never gone. Throne of dawn keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again. Throne of dawn remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true. Throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame. Throne of dawn exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright. Throne of dawn keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long. Throne of dawn, the righteous song. Throne of dawn, pure and strong. Guide the people, la da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Na 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 Zion, brother is so high among. Flame of Zion burns so bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never low. Zion flame forever glow. No Babylon can quench the fire. Zion flame lift we higher. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion flame carry you. Zion flame strong and high. Blazing glory in the sky. Every spark a holy name. humble, heal the meek. Zion flame all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion flame shining strong. It blaze the morning, blaze the night. Zion flame your light. Me see it blaze on Zion hill. Zion flame your will. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Zion flame for all. Forever holy, strong and wide. Zion flame, holy tide. It guide the nation, guide the soul. Zion flame make we whole. Rise eternal, never fade. Zion flame Jamaica. No Babylon can dim the glow. Zion flame always show. Forever shining, pure and free. Zion flame destiny. It burn the darkness, burn the wrong. Zion flame just song. When the trumpet sound again, Zion flame still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion flame bring your peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion flame show your way. Eternal burning bright and long. Zion flame just song. Burn high, burn strong. Zion flame carry on. No chain, no storm can kill the fire. Zion flame lift higher. Zion flame strong and high. Blazing glory in the sky. Every spar a holy name. Zion flame exalt your claim. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion flame still carry on.
No, 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 Zion is higher, man. Morning break with holy flame. Zion sunrise in your name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay. Light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance we grow. Every seed a blessing sow. Babylon night can't overcome. Zion shine like rising sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Children wake with hope anew. Sunlight guiding all them do. truth revealed. No chain strong enough to hold. Zion fire brighter than gold. Every man and woman sing. Zion's son a holy king. It healed the wound, it dried the tear. Zion's son forever near. Warm the heart, restore the soul. Zion light will make us whole. From east to west, from north to south. Zion flame in every mouth. From age to age, still shining bright. Zion's sun, eternal light. Shine, shine, Zion flame, Zion flame. Rise forever in Jah name. Every morning new begun. Zion rise like morning sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Glory, glory, day begun. Zion rise, the chosen one. Ay, ay, ay. Rasta Zion. Roll this spliff, yeah, man. Burning bright from deep within. Fire of Zion cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah, eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan can hide away. Fire of Jah reveal the way. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. It burn the liar, burn the hate. Fire keep the righteous straight. It glow in temple, glow in land. Light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field. Burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine. Fire of Jah is so divine. It warm the children in the cold. It blaze the story prophets told. It dance upon the holy ground. Fire of Zion always found. It rise at night, it rise at day. Fire guide along the way. No storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul
earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion, ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. Fire of Jah, forever bright. Burn high, burn free. Fire of Zion, energy. No hate, no fear can quench the flame. Fire of Jah, forever same. Fire of Zion, blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. From first spark to endless time. Fire of Zion ever shine.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Kingston, cushion of the paper.
Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me no in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace. Exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors. Them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chanting at the early dawn. Meditate till Babylon gone. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me not break, me not bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live for truth and leave the rest. Me sit beneath the mango tree. Birds are singing harmony. Me woman cook ital stew. Me give thanks for all we do. No concrete, no flashing light. Just moon and firelight in the night. Me children learn from earth and sky. Them know Jah love will never die. Ganja smoke rise like holy steam. Open up me soul for dream. Me float above the world below. Me see what most will never know. Truth now live in a headline. It dwell in heart, an ancient sign. Me reason with me elders wise. Them teach me how to recognize. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me not break, me not bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live with truth and leave the rest. Me no look for man and judge. Me no walk with grudge. Me build bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed. Love are the only real law, the only one me ever saw. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves a fall, me still hear just silent call. Me spirit dance like burning flame. Me know who I am, me know me name. Rasta live, Rasta lead. Me heart clean, me soul a feed. Me path simple, me steps true and jagadi in all me do. Jah guide me. Jah guide me.
Aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye.
Night air cool on my skin tonight. Night air cool on my skin tonight. Lanterns glow with gentle light. My heart feel open, mind feel clear. Calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm. Shadow shape a quiet form. People move with easy grace. Joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep. Both promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the coal. Wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune. Soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase. Spread his voice all over the place. Me stop to listen, feel the spark. His melody light up the dark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distance shine. Guide the weary, pure divine. Lead with you the darkest hour. Fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one. Glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright. Carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope. Find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze. Flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone. Feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real. A unity nothing can steal. Down the valley, voices spread. People lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky. Send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise. Blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way. Even small sparks chase gray. Every soul all ember bright. Share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distance shine. Guide the weary, pure divine. Lead with through the darkest hour. Fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one. Glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright. Carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high. Let it burn against the sky. Wherever trouble try to roam, your inner light will lead you home.
Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. No, 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 no. No, 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 Joe. Yes, I am reggae, man. Me stand tall in the morning breeze. Jah bless me soul, me spirit at peace. No weapon form against me strong. Rasta heartbeat keep me strong. Me come from the roots of fire. Truth and love me only desire. Babylon try but them can't divide. Jah Lion live inside. Me see the people lost in fear, but Jah voice always near. Me chant this song for unity and claim me destiny. me. Me rise above the worldly pain, me spirit break the chain. Every drum beat sound like thunder. Wake the sleepers from the slumber. Freedom live inside the heart. Every breath a sacred start. Me chant for wisdom, me chant for peace. Till hatred find release. Lion heart beat strong. Roar of truth so long. One love, one flame, one power. Jah rise in every hour. Stand firm, no retreat. Hear the lion heartbeat. Me see the soldier of the light. Walk through darkness, hold the fight. Them spirit pure, the mind away. No man can them feel shake. The youth them chant for brighter day. Righteous path away. Me hold the crown, me hold the vibe truth. Me never hide, me see the system try to fall. But just an overall love stronger than them plan. Jah guide every man. Me no fear what man can do. Me heart beat strong and true. The lion roar, the truth reveal. Rasta power real, lion heart beat strong. Roar of truth so long. One love, one flame, one power. Jah rise in every hour. Stand firm, no retreat. Hear the lion heartbeat. So keep your spirit brave and free. Jah love your energy. When night fall and shadow creep, Jah lion never sleep.
No ganja and Zion Reggae. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Me rise one morning breeze, heart at ease. Jah whisper in me ear, fear no fear. Me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call, me spirit roar, me voice declare truth everywhere. Me see the wicked build them throne pon people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain. Spread the pain, but me no bow, me nah crawl. Me hear Jah call, lion heart within me chest. Me manifest. Me see the sufferer in a street, no shoes pon feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread, still them tread. Me share me herb, me share me song. Right the wrong, me chant for justice, chant for peace. Babylon cease, yeah. Lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand, lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore, me walk through fire yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth fi know them worth. Rise from earth, them call me rebel, call me wild. But Jah child, lion spirit guide me to one. Me no alone, me hear the drums from long ago. Still them flow, ancestral power in a me blood like river flood. Them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through storm and flame. In Jah name, me no fear no king no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire can't hide. It reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love. Send message above. Every roar a sacred call. Unite we all. Yo, lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand, lion of truth, never feared. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore.
forget the way, me still pray. Lion of truth, roar eternal flame. All in Jah name.
Na na na, meditate and elevate your mind. River flow from holy ground. Zion water heal profound. Wash away the hurt and pain. Make the soul feel whole again. Every drop a song of peace. Every wave make hate decrease. Come ye thirsty, drink and live. River of Zion always give. From spring to stream to mighty sea. River of Zion set we free. River of Zion pure and wide. Carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. Every day in sun or rain. River of Zion heal again. From the mountain top it starts. Flow right through the people heart. No drought, no dam can hold. Zion river pure as gold. Children bathe, the elders sing. River bring those Jah blessing. Day and night it never cease. Water flow with perfect peace. From age to age it always stay. River of Zion show the way. River roll eternal stream. Carry forth Jah righteous stream. Life forever, love remain. River wash away the pain. Every soul can find a place. River flow with Jah grace. River of Zion pure and wide. Carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. From age to age it flow divine. River of Zion forever shine. From dawn to dusk both near and far. River of Zion who we are. River of Zion pure and wide. Carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. From age to age it flow divine. River of Zion forever shine. From dawn to dusk both near and far. River of Zion who we are. River of Zion. We can just smoke ya man. Early na the morning me rise with Jah sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside pan sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember worth. Roots of the morning light. Guide me soul through the darkest night. Herb inna me palm, chanting in me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise a speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh, Jah bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through the forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light shine pon me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite, me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat idle, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate on a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind reset. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.